everybody. This is our daily agenda for Tuesday, March 2nd. Sorry about that, guys. Reminder for today, have your chapter responses done at least as much as you can, as we are up to chapter 11. This book ends on chapter 12. We are continuing on with our reading today, and you guys should really be close to done with everything. So for our free write today on chapter 11, Randy's dad told him, "Tell the truth and nobody can get hurt." Do you agree with this statement? Is it always best to tell the truth? Explain your thinking with reasons, examples, and experiences. So do you think it's always best to tell the truth, or it's not always best to tell the truth? I gave you guys some sentence frames to really think off of that. We're moving on to chapter 12, our final chapter for the novel, and you are going to be on page 143 for class today. Then we are moving on to our response pages. You should be up to chapter 12. I'll make sure we have that response page up to chapter 12 for you guys today. And then with our exit ticket discussion, what happens to Ponyboy's schoolwork, memory, and attitude about himself after the hearing? What opportunity does his teacher give him to make up his problems in school? What would you say to Ponyboy if you saw him in this situation? What does Ponyboy finally decide to write about in his theme? How does this connect to the theme in the novel? So just kind of left you guys some there. If you guys, as always, if you guys have any questions or need more help, always reach out to me, Miss Arroyo, or Miss Reyes, and we'll help you out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.